Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 24/4/2022 and the time is 9:45. This is a weekly forecast video for the coming week, but I have already given you a snapshot on Friday evening itself that the first one pager of my PPT clearly mentioned Bank Nifty is extremely weak and it is close to below the important three numbers. So now let's go to the graph. I don't want to talk more about graph. We will simply discuss about our numbers, which is more than enough for us. And I made a video on ICICI Bank, the talk of the town. So you please watch that video. And the future timing I've already given you, and it is happening tomorrow at 2:15 candle, high and low market. Enjoy it. If you make money, say thanks to market, and if you make money, at least buy a few packets of dinner to the poor people and distribute it. Thanks a lot. Let's go to the chart. Okay, so you all know Nifty, it's a fake buy, so there is no buy. So it is coming down. Now the important number to watch out here is 16,801, possibility of making a support, and this red color line is 16,636. So what's these two number here? This was my fortune signal. Possibility, maybe there may be, it may take a support here. Let's watch. This is based on a daily fortune signal, and Bank Nifty there is no buy, so it is still in sell only. Okay, so now let's go to the important weekly number which we are discussing for so long and see how market is respecting those numbers. So this was the weekly. You can go back this and check my weekly forecast video last week also. We discussed the same thing. It is unable to close above this candle, the weekly candle high, and even last week it went and touched exactly the number 37,929, and today it is 36,000. So already 2,000 points down from last week to this week after touching our red color line, which is this week low, right? So this is Bank Nifty, and coming to Nifty, this week high and low, and this week high and low is very, very important, which I mentioned in my last week video. And exactly last week, the low was this candle low, which is 27th December candle low, which was 16,833. It came down yesterday, last week, touched and bounced, and there was a doji candle. So as of now, above this candle is buy, which is 17,400.8 is buy. Below 16,833 on a closing basis, it is again weak. Here there is no indicator, no oscillators, no Ichimoku, nothing. Pure system. And if you go and put here, see where it is sitting. Exactly taking the support at the cloud, and as well as the baseline, But our number is what predominant to us, which is 16,833, which was the low of this candle. Even Ichimoku will come and join with this candle high and low. That's how the number works. That's why I always say number is the key. All your technical stuffs will come and join with the numbers later on. So that is postmortem. We do live surgery. So you know this now, which I've already talked about. So now I don't want to go to the graph. Let's go to the PPT straight away, and then we'll discuss all this. Let's go to the PPT. So this was the first page which I've given to you on Friday evening. There is no change here. Wait for my number at 9:15 a.m. tomorrow, right? So Bank Nifty I've given, and now Bank Nifty has to hold these three number, break below 35,574 on a closing basis, bare minimum 1,000 point to 1,500 points fall on the downside. The important number to watch in Bank Nifty is, I will definitely tell you. I'll go to the chart again. I will tell you. So all this has happened. So vice versa, if it works, it may be bad, but we don't know. People are talking about gap down of 200 points, 300 points in Nifty, 1,000 points in Bank Nifty because of S&P, Dow, CAC, DAG, Elephant, everything is down. All that, I don't care about all that. Let the market open at 907. Pre-market number is with us. We know what to do based on a simple strategy. Based on weekly closing, I have already mentioned, it is bearish. Very simple. Okay, so now mark yesterday's high and low of Reliance, because I've already marked 22nd April was a very important day for Reliance. So mark 22nd April high and low. If it breaks the 22nd April high, simply buy with the stop loss of 27th April low. If it breaks 22nd April low and close below, initiate when it comes and touches the low again, and the stop loss is high of 22nd. 22nd high is the stop loss. So tomorrow, the important timing to watch out on Ichimoku is 9:20 to 9:25. 9:20 to 9:25 candle, 5 minutes candle, watch out. And this I've already given you last week itself. And stock of the month for the May is Vodafone Idea based on time cycle. So watch out, Vodafone Idea. I will definitely cover this guy, in the next week. So the rest, everything is same, nothing to talk about. And tomorrow, these three companies are having the TCD, which is Godrej, CP, Naukri, and Pfizer. So watch this. Bajaj Finance, watch. I've already marked the high and low. These four companies, you can definitely keep a track. Mark the high and low of 22nd April of these four companies: Pidilite, Bajaj Finance, Reliance, and Tata Motors. If it breaks the high, simply buy with the stop loss of 22nd low. If it breaks 27 low and close below, initiate whenever it comes and touches that low with the stop loss of 22nd high. So finish it off. And now Bharati is struggling within our two numbers, 745. The high was 744 and 729 is bearish. Yesterday, the low again is 729. So it is trading between these two numbers, simply number magic, nothing else. So tomorrow, what to do on Nifty? Everything is here. I don't care about what happened in Dow Jones or S&P. I will write my buy number based on where it closed on Friday evening. I don't care whether even if 300 points, 400 points down in S&P. According to me, where it closed my Nifty, where it closed on Friday, from there I will write my buy number or a sell number. Same thing applicable here. Only one thing is, I've clearly mentioned why bearish is because all the four numbers are in red. And coming to Bank Nifty, last time when it touched 35,937, I'm talking about Bank Nifty spot, when it came and touched our 35,937, and from there, it went up. But that time, this low was not broken. All along, from the March expiry, from the April expiry till 22nd, this was in green. But only yesterday, it closed below 36,122. If you go back and see my PPT, from the beginning, you will see this number was in green only many times. But this time, it closed again red, and it closed way below three crucial numbers. That's why I mentioned Bank Nifty is weak. So watch out. So this also weak. That's why I clearly given that. So let's see what is going to happen now. Okay, I think I need to change this. I think I have not done this. Anyway, no problem. I will do that and send it to you later. So as of now, on the next important day, which is happening on 29th April, in Bank Nifty is very, very crucial, not only because of my working. It is also combining with my Excel sheet date, which is which we discussed previously. So all along, this is what I want to share with you. I will try to do this. I think I forgot totally on this one. So I will, this was the last week thing which is continuing. So I have not done it. I will do it. Last week low was clearly this number, 35,937. And from there, it went up by 1,000 points, 1,200 points from this number. Exactly, this was the low. This was the low. That is called number magic. Okay. So now I will do that and send it to you. And these three is having tomorrow, and 26th is Num India, Coal, Pfizer, and SBI Life, and more to come. And watch HDFC 28, 29, and 30 is the key date for HDFC Limited. So that's all, on weekly observation. I don't want to go deep into the chart and talk about all that. So let's see. Talk of the town ICICI tomorrow at 2:15 candle, or the recent one, which is 438. Just a minute. This candle, 12:15 candle high and low, which is I think 438 and 434. Sorry, 738 and 734, whatever. So use that, which I showed in my video of ICICI Bank, and which I already posted in the social media. Use it. If you make money, be happy. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before investing in any financial instruments. Thanks a lot for seeing soon. Fingers crossed for ICICI Bank tomorrow. See you soon. Bye.